When I tell a patient she has triple negative breast cancer, the first reaction is usually fear because it's known as one of the most aggressive types. But what does triple negative actually mean? Why is it different from other breast cancers? And what new treatments are giving hope to patients with this diagnosis? In this video, I'll explain triple negative breast cancer in simple terms, the treatment options available, and the promising role of immunotherapy. Hello, I'm Dr. Niharika, breast oncosurgeon at SSO Cancer Center. On this channel, I share clear, compassionate education so patients and families feel informed and empowered. Today we'll cover what triple negative breast cancer is, why it's considered aggressive, the standard treatments like surgery, chemotherapy and radiation, the limitations of hormone and targeted therapies here, and finally the exciting advances in immunotherapy. So let's get started. What does triple negative mean? So breast cancers are usually tested for three important receptors: ER, estrogen receptor, PR, progesterone receptor, and HER2. If all three are negative, we call it triple negative breast cancer or TNBC. Why does it matter? Because treatments like hormone tablets for ER/PR positive cancer or HER2 targeted drugs don't work here. That limits our options and makes TNBC more challenging. Why is it considered aggressive? TNBC tends to occur in younger women more often. It grows and spreads faster than the other subtypes, have a higher chance of recurrence in the first few years after treatment. But it's important to remember, aggressive does not mean untreatable. Many women with TNBC are cured, especially when caught early. What are the standard treatment options? The backbone of TNBC treatment is still surgery, wide excision with oncoplasty or mastectomy depending on tumor size and spread, chemotherapy, often given before surgery, that is neoadjuvant, to shrink the tumor and improve the surgical outcomes. Radiation therapy, when breast-conserving surgery is done or based on stage and risk. Unlike other types, hormone therapy and HER2 drugs do not work here. That's why chemotherapy plays such a central role. The role of immunotherapy. One of the most exciting developments in TNBC is the use of immunotherapy. These are drugs that helps the body's own immune system attack cancer cells. Drugs like pembrolizumab have shown benefit when combined with chemotherapy, especially in advanced or high-risk cases. This is a big step forward because until recently, TNBC had fewer targeted options. Immunotherapy is now offering longer survival and better control for selected patients. The hopeful perspective: while TNBC can sound frightening, remember, many women with early-stage TNBC are completely cured with modern treatments. Research into immunotherapy and other targeted drugs is moving quickly. Clinical trials are constantly opening new doors. Knowledge is power, and knowing the biology of your cancer helps the doctor choose the right treatment. So as to summarize, triple negative breast cancer is different because it lacks the usual hormone and HER2 receptors. It can be aggressive, but it is treatable. And new therapies like immunotherapy are bringing real hope. If you or your loved one has TNBC, remember, you're not alone. And treatment options are improving every year. If this video helped you understand TNBC better, please share it to spread awareness. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more patient-focused education.